Hi, welcome back to our series about safe and legitimate websites to find work from home jobs. I am Ann Novak, and today I want to introduce you to remotive.io. Let's take a look and let me get out of the way. So, this is our landing page, and it is a very clean, very straightforward page. It starts with the job board right there. You could start by typing in the category you're looking for. Let's say you are a marketing manager, so that's what you type in. You hit enter, and you will get a listing of marketing roles that they currently have advertised. So let's say you want to look at this one. You click on it and you find a detailed description of this role. And once you read it and you determine that this is a job you're interested in, you click on apply for this position. And the nice thing about Remotive is it gets you to that company's website and you would apply directly through the website. Here you see the listing again and apply to the position. It is directly on Breezy's website. That's always better than going through an intermediary. So let's go back to Remotive and let's look at other ways you can find a job. We will X out of marketing manager, and they give us categories of jobs already. So if we stay with marketing, we could now click on marketing and sales, and we see it has 39 listings in that category in August. And now we can take a look at this listing, at those listings, and see all the marketing jobs. Here is our product marketing manager at Breezy HR again, the one we just looked at. So that is another way to go about it. You can also, if you just really want to browse to see what kind of jobs are on there, you just scroll down and it tells you the hottest jobs, and then it goes through category by category, starting with software development, customer support, design, marketing, and so on. But most people, of course, they were just looking for jobs in their area. So that's what you would click at. And if your particular area doesn't have its own category, you just click on all others and see what is available there. Now we looked at remote jobs, and now we can look at remote companies. That is another feature that I really like about Remotive, because it introduces you to companies that are often not that well known. And so you can come across potential employers that previously you probably have never thought about because you didn't know about them. So there is a list. It gives you some information about size, about what they do, and then you can click on the link and get to that company's website. We have small, we have large. For example, here is Etsy, very well known, larger companies. So you can go to the Etsy website and look at what work from home or remote roles they're hiring for at the moment. So this is a great feature on this website. If you're interested in working from home, you can just browse all these companies, see what they offer, and see how to apply there. Then we also have a community here, but they want money for joining the community. Here at the Career Center, we always get a little wary when it comes about paying for services that oftentimes you can have for free. So since we're not a member, I don't know if it's worth the money. That I cannot tell you. But again, usually we recommend do your research first, Google it on the internet. Is it worth joining the Remotive community? My guess is you can get that same information probably somewhere else for free. So to go back to the gist of it is, this is a nice, straightforward, clean job board that makes it very easy to browse jobs, to browse companies, and it links you to the actual company web page where you apply. So here you go, another safe and legitimate work from home website. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Until next time.